Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Scrap Room layout. We're going to play with the flavors of the month kit this month. This is Echo Park Let's Go Travel. So in the flavors of the month kit, you're going to get 4 different mini collections. Each of those mini collections comes with 2 pieces of cardstock, 3 pieces of pattern paper from those collections, and some embellishments. So for this portion of the flavors of the month kit, this month you're going to get 2 sheets of craft cardstock. I love me some craft cardstock. Everyone's going to get the full 12x12 scrap stickers from this Echo Park collection, and these 3 papers, which are all very gorgeous. This one's called Around the Globe. This one is called Above the Clouds, hence the airplanes, and I love this B-side. And this one is a beautiful plaid, and it's called Passenger Plaid. And I really like this map, too. So I don't have a lot of world travel collections, but you can do a lot of different things with this stuff. And what I like about the sticker sheet, too, is there are a bunch of areas on here that are not super travel themed. Like this says collect moments, not things. There's this banner. We travel, but we do a lot of more local travel, so not a lot of airplanes are involved. But I plan on playing. So let me go find some photos, and then I will let you know what I end up deciding or doing with this kit. So I've done a lot off camera with this collection, but it took me a while to figure out what I wanted to do. And then you know how, I don't know if you guys do this, maybe it's just my scattered brain, but I start about 1 million different projects and don't finish them right away. So this is one of the many projects I have started that I haven't finished yet, and it is our family trip in 2017. And I remembered I still have lots of photos for that trip that I have to do. And I have a couple collections that I picked out like to purposely just scrapbook some of that. But I was like, this is a great one because it's all travel themed. So I grabbed some of the photos, and I also grabbed a sketch from 30 Days of Sketches this last time, where there were all exclusive sketches, by the way. All the sketches that were used in 30 Days of Sketches were created for it only. They were not other ones because there was lots of issues. But it was from day 15 by Sean Styles Lar, and a lovely 2-page spread. So I had almost the same amount of photos that the sketch artist had indicated. Obviously not over here. I have 2 less, and I'm missing one here. But there was this beautiful circle on the sticker sheet that I decided to use. So that worked out marvelously. And then, yeah. So I really like the block of colors. So actually these things are not glued, these 2 things are not glued down yet, because I really liked in the sketch, I don't know if it was supposed to be this, but there's like stuff going on above this and above here and above here. So I thought it'd be kind of fun to stamp something. I grabbed some twine to finish off my lovely banner here. And I'm kind of glad that this is not glued down yet, because just the border stickers were kind of holding it in place. Because I want to do this banner and tuck the strings under. I might even pop, I don't think I'll pop this on phone. That would be a lot to pop on phone. But I wanted to stick this banner piece. And to me, the best way to do that is just washi tape it to the back. Yep. And this little spot looks perfect. But everything else is glued down onto here. So I kind of had some fun with that, like just trying to play a little. So we're gonna adhere this banner and all its little pieces. So I just kind of stuck them on here. I haven't like pressed down a lot, but now it's been sitting. So hopefully they're not like stuck. And sometimes I would add glue or something under these to make sure they really stick. I'm just using some basically craft colored cardstock or twine to match my craft colors cardstock. That's what I meant to say. We're just gonna put some glue behind my loop here. It does glue it down eventually. It doesn't look like it at the moment, but it does. That's dirty. Okay, so I'm gonna finish getting that down, and then I will glue this down to the paper. But in the meantime, I also want to stamp above where it's gonna go and below. And I'm gonna use weathered wood. It's very similar to this light blue that's in this stripe. And I just thought I would do like this or this stamp. Actually, I think I might use this one. Tire treads. And I want a good impression. So I'm gonna put that under. And we're gonna stamp away. And I'm gonna put a piece of scrap paper. I don't want us to go too far off that it's sticking out from behind this. Okay, so I got a little bit more that I can do. Okay, I'm gonna finish doing the twine and that on the other side, and that'll just go across the top. And then I'm gonna journal down here a little bit, and that's it. So then you guys will get some close-ups. So yeah, I'm sorry that this wasn't like a super huge process thing. I guess I could explain a few more things. A lot of these are stickers. These I punched out with my 1 inch and my 1/2 inch circle, and then this is a 2 inch circle. So I have just one 2 inch circle, because this is about 2 inches, so I didn't need to put any up there. And then some stickers, just a bunch of stickers from the sticker sheet, which I love. I gotta trim the excess off of these after I stamp and get this all glued down. So yeah, this one's not glued down either, and I use this border sticker, this brown one from the sticker sheet. I'm trying to think what else. Let me grab the sticker sheet and I can show you. I don't think I want to add anything else. At the moment, it seems as if I've got everything that I need. But if you're wanting more stickers and more embellishments, highly recommend getting the Shots of Life kit and the embellishment add-on. The embellishment add-on, you get chipboard. You do get some of the same stickers, but like then you can create another border on another page, or you can do some other things. And then you get 2 pages of sticker book. So look at more banners. Oh, look at all the banners I could do. More banners. And then I actually used these for my title. I have some similar simple stories. And then the pattern paper add-on, and then the Shots of Life kit, you get another piece of pattern paper because it's a cut apart, but you just get more. I didn't end up using any of that. I ended up using only these alphas, and I figured you could use any tile alpha in your stash. That wouldn't be too much of a stretch for anybody else if you did not get the add-ons. But that is that. Close-ups shortly, and you guys can enjoy. Make sure you check out the TSR store and grab, yes ma'am, grab your, grab the kit, or go shopping for other fun kits in the a la carte section. There's always something fun. Hi. But thank you again so much. Check out the Facebook group for more inspiration to see what everybody else did, all the other design team members did with this lovely collection in this Flavors of the Month kit for May 2023. We'll see you next time.